My parents wanted me to be a musician. One place I always go, Al Ustad at Dubai. I email him, okay? So, sir, we need to catch up. I need to see you. He says, okay, come to Chennai tomorrow at 2 a.m. My first performance with Rahman sir on stage. Tere Ishq mein the music launch and he was on the piano and I was singing Tere Ishq mein. We did it unplugged and oh my god.
And do you go to Chennai to record with him?
You should. There's a difference in recording with Rahman sir in Bombay and doing a recording in Chennai.
And then when did you get your first song?
2 songs which happened simultaneously. So one was Mithun and we did Tose Naina Lage. And Shagar Ehsaan Loy. We did Salame Ishq, Sahi Aare.
How would you want a new singer to start their career? Don't listen to her because the first 2 songs that happened simultaneously were the biggest hits of those that year. Your own favorite song from this year that you did?
इसी बात का डर है मुझको
कि हो ना जाए प्यार तुमसे.
बात है तालियां. The song that you think like kind of made it for you.
बन गए हो तुम मेरी दुआ
खुदा जाने के.
Hey,
Welcome to Dubai.
Habibi.
Habibi. Welcome to Dubai, Johnny. Come, come.
Thank you. Come,
Sit.
come. Please sit.
It's been so long.
I know.
I'm almost matching this color, yeah? How have you been?
Good. How are you?
Very well, yeah. And when the journey itself feels seamless, you can stay focused on what matters. With its expansive 14.6-inch screen, ventilated seats, wireless charging, and a refined interior, the new Coolray makes every drive feel calm, intuitive, and quietly premium. Hi guys, welcome back to the Dubai journey. Today with me I have somebody that you've listened to, whether you were working, whether you were traveling, whether you were watching a movie, whether you were partying. Her voice has helped you go through breakups, to enjoy moments in your life. And let me tell you, I know her for so long and still very humble, the superstar, Shilpa Rao. How are you doing,
I'm
Shilpa?
great. आप कैसे हो?
Very good, man.
Very good.
So good to see you.
हाँ,
I don't
so
think
long.
people know this, but there was a time in Mumbai when I'd just come, I think 2003, and we were part of a friend circle where there was the band Agni, Mohan and all of them, and Raghu, and there were a lot of these jam sessions that we used to happen in homes, and you were there. We used to meet very often, and then it was like back in the day, 20 years, 22 years. Time has flown.
हाँ.
Nahin?
Yeah. Like I think 2009 or 10.
That's when
I met Mohan.
Yeah,
And
that's
then
when you came in.
anyway,
And
Mohan Coco, are you watching this? Hello. Hey.
Hi, Mohan Coco, Raghu.
Hey Raghu, how are you?
I hope you guys are watching it.
Yeah.
Everybody's very busy these days. So first of all, welcome to Dubai. Welcome to the Dubai
Thank
journey.
you.
Thank you for taking out time.
No, pleasure.
And Shilpa, first of all, because I know you since 2008, 9, 10, your journey's been amazing. I've seen it. And because of your voice, because of your practice, because of your discipline, you were always destined to be reaching so many millions of people. And you continue to do that. Tell me, when was the first time you came to Dubai? And was it for a performance, a concert, or just generally family holiday? I don't know.
No. I had come here, I think 2009.
For the first time?
Yeah, because I think we were doing something with MTV and there was a
MTV. Naam to
yeah.
suna hai. Naam to suna hai. MTV.
MTV.
When you used to come here, when you came in the beginning,
Right.
what would you do when you were not, say, performing or recording or something? Then where would you hang out? What do you do? What do you know of that old Dubai? What do you remember of that?
ओल्ड दुबई आई थिंक हम लोग तो उस टाइम पे ना बहुत सारे आरजेस हमारे दोस्त होते थे
हाँ.
बिकॉज यू नो दे वुड बी इंटरव्यूइंग अस फ्रॉम हियर
Yeah, and the Indian guys who
हाँ,
accepted it.
I mean through phone, basic phone, because then there was no
Zoom call
Zoom
interview.
call interviews and social media wasn't just picking up. So they used to call us and तो जैसे फिल्म के गाने आते थे और हम फिर रेडियो ट्रेल्स करते थे तो फिर दुबई के भी आरजेस हम लोगों को फोन करते थे.
Yeah.
So then you started, you know,
Knowing them.
knowing them, and then okay, if you come to Dubai, please let us know. So when you reach here, so then they used to be our guide and eyes and ears. अच्छा यहाँ चलते हैं, ये खाना चाहिए, ये
So,
है,
so
वो है.
any places that you remember from that time where you used to hang out and eat at or go do some activity?
One place I always go
Hmm.
whenever I'm here. That's Al Ustad at Abu Dubai.
Yes.
That is like a staple that has to happen.
Now that you've come, you've seen it change so much. When you come here now, what are things that you have to do? Shilpa, when you're saying, okay, मैं वहाँ पे 2 दिन के लिए, I'm going to come in, perform, and go out, but I have to do this, and this. Shop a little bit, go meet this, maybe go to the beach. I don't know.
Beaches, yeah, definitely. Like sit, do a sundowner with friends.
Nice.
Because a lot of my school friends are also here.
Ooh.
And हमारी मतलब like जमशेदपुर की बातें start हो जाती है एकदम.
क्या बात
Like फिर accent फिर change हो जाता है.
Ah.
All of that. So तुम से हम हो जाते हैं हम.
Ah.
So yeah, the beach side I really try and do a sundowner.
Nice.
Sit, chat, reminisce, and then take the last flight out.
I was
Go
growing
back
up
home.
in Jamshedpur. Is there a Tata connection there?
Yes,
Lovely.
yes. Dadaji, Bade Papa, Dad, everyone. They all worked for Tata. So, there's a lot of, I mean, the only flex that the parents would have is good education. Like,
Yeah.
like
School was taking
हाँ,
care of.
मेरे बच्चे को ये रैंक मिला है, वो वहाँ आईटी मिल गया है, वहाँ पर अभी बीआईटी मिश्रा जा रहा है, तो आईटी खड़गपुर हो रहा है, तो you know, it's a very academic kind of a place.
Especially
So,
that time.
yes.
Also in
Even
India.
now,
Even now,
the school systems are great.
Not
Schools
that
are great.
my daughter is recognized by the Grammy and all that. That's not a flex. It is.
No, but उस टाइम पे होता था कि अगर अच्छा आप म्यूजिक कर रहे हो वो तो ठीक है, but असल में क्या करते हो?
हाँ.
Like it was that बेटा. What is your real job?
Yes. So even in school and college, while your occupation is being a student, when you have these other skills or when you practice music, when you learn music, everyone's like, yeah, wow, good man. क्या आप music करते हो? but आप करोगे क्या बड़े होके? Was that a thing in your life, or your parents were happy for you to do anything?
My parents wanted me to be a musician. It is the other way around.
Oh, nice.
So it was never, yeah, आप music करो ठीक है, but you know पढ़ाई वढ़ाई. But my father was
clear,
very clear. He wanted us to be musicians, and
your brother's a jazz
pianist, yes.
Jazz pianist,
Anurag.
right?
Yes. So
and so he's older.
He's younger.
He's younger.
He's 5 years younger to me.
So there was a thing of music at home while you were growing up.
Yes,
Mahal tha?
My father's done his MA in music. He's
lovely.
he's MTech in engineering, so he was an AGM at Tata. So he would go to office, वापस आए, and Riyaz start.
Oh, so
Yeah.
you've been trained by your dad?
Yes.
Riyaz at home?
Yes.
Wow, Shilpa, it's amazing to know, because a lot of people's stories, when they become artists and musicians and stuff like that,
Right.
is that their parents didn't have any input at that time. Right? They're very proud of them. And they're creative, the artists in them. And
That way, I say I'm privileged that way.
right?
I am very privileged that
But
way.
none of us who were not from that artistic, our parents were not like that, had the pressure. They didn't know how good we were. Like my dad was like, doing well, buddy. Whether you're like just doing well, you're doing well, you know.
You're doing well.
Yeah, because he doesn't know.
I know.
Whatever. But in your case,
In my case, it's
if somebody's like, oh, Shilpa, singing competition, my first time, but your dad's sitting there saying, char, niche tha, upar tha.
Yeah,
Aisa.
wo.
So that pressure was there?
अभी भी है.
Really?
Yeah. We still discuss. Okay, Dad, this ये वाला कौन सा अभी भी जो I just we finished the music with Rahman sir for तेरे इश्क में.
Wow.
So उसमें एक गाना था तेरे जिक्र में. वो गजल नुमा एक composition उन्होंने बनाया था. So I'm like thinking कि क्या राग नंद है कि ये राग बिहाग है, because वो एक विदाई वाला भी एक flavor है इसमें.
You consult your dad?
Yeah, so then I called him like, अच्छा what, this is Maru Biag. Like just spot
Oh,
on. He's
wow.
just too sharp that way. Yeah, he's too sharp.
So when did you know that, okay, man, I am going to be a singer and I'll keep learning, but this is I'm a singer.
Maybe in high school.
In high school, you
High
learned?
school. Yeah, not before that. तब तक तो I was like ऐसे पेड़ पे लटक रहे थे.
If
chill कर
not
रहे
a
थे.
singer, what would you be?
I don't think I know anything else. Actually, I'm not good at anything. ये तो मतलब मॉम डैड ने पीछे पढ़ के करवा लिया, नहीं तो वही मैं लटकती फिरती वहाँ पर पेड़ से. I was that.
Were you a naughty kid?
I zone out a lot. I used to be a drifter, so that.
What are you good at? I just drift.
I just zone out. I just zone out.
One of the things that I want to touch upon, concerts have become a big thing, especially
Yes.
after COVID. People
Yeah.
want to go to a live concert, want to watch
It's a great thing.
and experience not just the singing quality
Yeah.
or the melody or the emotion, but concert, things have to happen. Did you have to like say, okay, man, we're going for concerts, or we're going to do a little bit of, I'm going to come up from there, there's going to be a blast, there's a this and that. You have to adapt to it, right? Because
No, yeah. In fact, I like it that anyway हर साल कुछ ना कुछ नया तो हम लोग करते ही रहते हैं.
Okay.
जो एक सेट बना रहता है उसको हम फिर और revamp करते हैं.
Yeah.
My band is very dynamic because you
Okay.
know all my boys, they are like artists in themselves. Like the guitar player is dynamic, the drummer is, the keyboard player, everyone is like a star in their own right. So it's a very dynamic energy on stage when all of us are together. Plus, of course, Ritesh, my husband, he's taken up the entire production like a main man.
Okay,
And we
because
have-
he has vision because he's a
Yes.
photographer. Right?
Yes. So all he knows that okay, I have this frame and this has to look aesthetically nice. It should look, it should tell a story. So I think so that way I think he okay, this is the song, this is the mood of it. इसका गाना इसका कलर ये होना चाहिए. अच्छा ये लाइटिंग उसका फ्लैश नहीं करके what if we just dim it and take it up.
So
And
he's the designer of the
he designs
concert.
the whole thing.
Tell me a difference between a concert that you did in 2017-18
Yeah.
and now. Like, dude, these things have changed. I love when this happens.
बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा like हाँ हम स्टेज पे ऐसे भी कूदते रहते थे पहले भी. हमारी जो एनर्जी है सारे
Band
the whole
members,
band.
yeah.
But yeah, now everything is regimented, where especially because when we're doing music, you need to coordinate also with the tech team. वो
Because-
सामने FOH पे जो रहते हैं.
Ah.
So FOH पे you have your sound engineer, you have your
Lights.
graphics guy, you have the lights guy, you have your pyro guy, you have your camera guy, because after 2-3 हज़ार की जो public रहती है उसके बाद में you will need the screens to have your face on it so that people can see you. So and again, if there's a guitar solo, that guy has to be in frame. So everything has to be timed.
Any other artist that you see and you're like, hey man, this person really, when this person goes into concert, it's pretty fun to enjoy the concert.
There's so many of them actually. Shalmali, I'm a big fan.
Okay.
She's like her concerts are like a banger vibe.
Okay.
I've always mentioned this and I've told her this also. She's
Lovely.
amazing. Preetham, of course. Dada is like, I don't know, that melody just, I don't know how he just 2-3 गाने ऐसे medley में घुस रहे हैं and समझ में नहीं आता. Of course, he's created it, so therefore he has that
He knows.
ease to get into one song and to the next. Vishal Shekhar, they're like a
High
blast.
energy. I've been
Like
part of
like
some
a
of their
blast.
concerts.
Yeah,
Sometimes I was
they're
hosting something.
They're crazy. So, Rahman sir, I mean, at one point you're doing Sadda Haq, and at some point you are like Dil Se Re, and you're like, wow.
Now I want to ask you. Now you said Rahman sir.
Haan.
What was the first kind of work when you got and people heard it and they knew, okay, this is Shilpa Rao. Not when you think you made it or this is a song that changed things. When you said, okay, this is, wow man, I got to work a music producer and I did a song for a
Right.
movie. It was maybe a Marathi film or an Indian film or Hindi film or
right,
whatever.
right,
When was
right.
that?
So, obviously, Bombay में हर कोई आता है हाँ आज पहुंच गए अभी आज ही गाना दे दो मैं गा
Yeah,
दूंगी.
tomorrow only I want to record.
आज ही हो जाएगा.
Day
But
after concert.
ऐसे नहीं होता
Yeah,
है.
that's not like that.
Because गाना एक एक talent है,
Yeah.
but to be able to do a new song that you've never heard and which has been given to you today, and you have to kind of
Make it
vibe with
yours.
it and do this in the span of 2 hours. So that is a very different ball game, which newcomers don't have the grasp of. So thankfully Shankar Mahadevan,
That was your first?
so he said, you know, listen, you start doing jingles first.
Ah, nice.
वो जब when you go to the studio ना, जब एक word एक line नया गाना पड़ेगा ना, तब दिमाग चलना शुरू होगा कि oh अच्छा this has to happen.
Such
The
a good
mic.
advice.
Yeah,
Such a
yeah,
good
yeah,
advice.
yeah. I agree. He's been one of those very important you know, people in my life who said, you know, like you need to just calm down.
Yeah, just
But
chill.
the energy
Take it easy.
energy थोड़ा सा stabilize करके.
If I know him well, he's like,
Yeah.
come home, just eat. First eat.
First
relax.
come. Yeah,
And then,
relax.
then figure out your life. Yeah.
Yeah, like you in the studio, get a coffee, chill,
Yeah.
one at a time.
Yeah. He's just so lovely because
Yeah.
music you want to talk about, तो चलो ठीक है. But
हाँ.
he'll first talk about, oh, उधर वो खाया क्या उधर? That restaurant, have you eaten
Oh,
that?
he's a
he
foodie.
loves food.
And
yeah.
I am telling you, वो musicians हम बाद में है. सबसे पहले हम ना खाना खो रहे हैं हम लोग. खाना सबसे important question वो है, आज क्या खाएंगे?
Honestly, all the singers that I know, friend,
Everyone.
I'm lucky to have some, were attracted initially by Govindan, खाना है वहाँ पे? अच्छा, आ जाएंगे ठीक है, then I'll sing a couple of songs. खाना है ना,
खाना-
the jam session was that only ना, that you
The
come.
khana will inspire what Gana
Yeah.
will be. So you know,
Yes.
yeah, it goes that way.
So just one question, because you
हाँ.
started with jingles.
हाँ.
Is there a jingle that you think I would remember or people will remember that you had done? Because in jingles, all the name of the singer doesn't come, na? Yeah.
घड़ी ये ने किया था.
Yeah. So
One of the घड़ी ads, a lot of
Yeah?
like yeah,
घड़ी
घड़ी के ads,
detergent.
detergent उसके तो बहुत पहले ads बनते थे.
oh wow.
But ये वाला किया था.
But
So,
jingles become like part of our growing up. Remember so many
true
of these
that.
jingles that
True
we had.
True that.
We
True that.
would sing them.
Yeah. अभी भी गाते हैं. Vico turmeric नहीं cosmetic. Vico turmeric Ayurvedic cream.
So
yeah.
And then when did you get your first song, and कौन थे music producer who gave you that opportunity?
There were 2 songs which happened simultaneously.
Simultaneously.
So one was Mithun, and we did Tose Naina Lage for Anwar.
That was your
That was my first
wow. शुरुआत में wow.
पहला गाना था. And Shankar Ehsaan Loy, we did Salame Ishq सही आ रहे. तो ये दोनों
Right.
simultaneously आए थे, तो Jan Feb
My
में.
next question was like, how would you want a new singer to start their career? Don't listen to her, because the first 2 songs that happened simultaneously were the biggest hits of those that year.
That
Oh,
year,
the-
yeah, true.
Yeah.
True. But yeah, I mean, like,
So how do you sustain that, Shilpa? You're young. You said, okay, Shankar Ehsaan Loy, तो से नैना, और ये वाले दोनों गाने आ गए. अब मैं सिर्फ यही गाने करूँगी, because suddenly you have to match that all the time.
that is true. वो बात बहुत सही है, because what happens is you feel
You're competing with yourself only.
that is there, but mostly what happens is like यार कोई break ही दे दे यार, इस पहला गाना मिल जाए ना, ये मतलब
और आपको दोनों मिल
everyone comes with that energy, ठीक है? And you think that's the hard part, but it's not.
Sustaining is.
Once you finish that, because you're new, you're fresh, so no one's heard you. That becomes your USP without knowing. To adapt, to do newer things. For that you have to have like your mind and ears open, heart open to begin with. Unless you don't have an open mind, अच्छा सारा music सुनना चाहिए. This is something that Dad always would tell me, and I think any great उस्ताद और गुरु will tell you. But आप पहले सुनो बहुत ज़्यादा. मतलब
Listen to everything.
listen to everything.
So listen to hip hop also.
I listen to everything. I mean, Kendrick Lamar, I'm a huge fan.
Ah.
Of course. I also listen to jazz. I'll also listen to
Jazz, you have no option.
jazz.
Your
तो
little
मतलब
brother will
भाई
be like,
भाई
yeah.
और नहीं, but apart from that, the kind of jazz that he got me introduced to, which is not just jazz that comes from US and Europe. He got me to listen to Armenian jazz.
Oh.
So there's this jazz artist called Tigran Hamasyan. He's from Armenia, and he's studied jazz, but he uses Armenian influences also to blend with
I
it.
love the
So-
blended music, the Indian jazz, little
Yeah.
bit of
Yeah.
hip hop with
Yeah.
with classical. I really love the fact
I
that
know.
people would learn these music forms and then make it Indian
But
or
for
their
that,
own.
you need to learn music. Get
know.
your fundamentals right. I think that is something that is the first step to doing anything.
So when you do a lot, so do you look forward to experimental music and working with some of these music producers and people who are like, we're gonna get this folk and then rock music is gonna come in a little bit of this. Are you one of those people who experiments a lot?
Yes, of course.
And you think it
The
works?
whole collab. I mean, you were there.
Yeah.
जब Karsh Kale had come to India and हमने
Yeah.
कितने सारे collabs किए थे उनके साथ.
Yeah.
So I feel it's
Necessary almost.
again. This came from the whole point that you went to school and you had friends and you dealt with people.
Mm.
When you do collabs, it's two people, not just making music. You have to bond as people. So if you can't be in a room with that energy and understand what that person is trying to uh, get at and what you guys can do, again, just by putting two names together, it's not a collab.
Yeah.
The
But-
energies have to vibe. Like our entire band, like the
Yeah, your
entire tech
collab.
team, we are friends.
Yeah.
We know each other's lives. Okay, we've gone to each other's weddings and
Ups and downs
yeah,
and
yeah,
everything, been part of
and
everything.
post the show, we'll sit and have dinner. That's like a
Yeah.
ritual. That there's no excuse. Yeah.
Yeah. So for musicians, collabs are just organic. They've actually been happening. This new name collab is just
collab,
come now.
हाँ, but
Collab अभी हुआ है because
collab का शुरुआत होता है आप खाने से. If you can eat with somebody,
अच्छा आज कहाँ खाना है तुम्हें शिल्पा? अभी इतने hints तुमने.
प्यार से अगर आप खाना खा सकते हो एक दूसरे के साथ तो आप गाना भी बना
अगर
सकते हो.
दुबई में आज आपको कुछ खाना हो किस प्रकार?
Surprise me.
What kind
you
of?
tell me something new. I would like to whatever
okay.
you feel like.
Have you been to? Okay. Have you been to? Actually, Ranveer Brar has opened his
Ah,
restaurant here, and he was on the show. And Ranveer Brar is a
I
great
Ranveer,
friend.
yeah, it's
He's
likewise.
a great friend
yeah.
of mine. See you looking out a lot. Are you looking for a coffee? You want a coffee?
Yeah, sure.
All right, guys, let's get her a
Let's do
coffee
coffee,
because
bro.
another thing about Dubai is great with coffee. You can
And
just go anywhere.
and coffee makes me great.
Okay, so we'll get a coffee. About your work, I've noticed that there are commercial hits, but then there are also like melodies, and then there are emotions.
Yeah.
Some of your songs people are listening to fall in love. Some of your songs when they're broken up.
Yeah.
Some are just party bangers, right?
Right,
So
right.
how do you choose, or you're just like Jo bhi aaya, I'll give it a Shilpa Rao twist, or what is it? Are you now looking for certain things, or you like how do you choose a song or choose music, or when you do your own singles or albums, you're like, okay, I'm in this phase of my life. Oh, I went to Cuba. Maybe I should have one song like this. How is music happening in your life?
So I think it's a bit of both. When you get a call for a song, obviously they've already thought of your voice and they've casted you, and there's a, like, for example, whenever Preetham calls me,
But you're also then typecasted as, I want Shilpa Rao here. But now my Shilpa Rao is like, I want this part of my
वो
personality.
बोला है,
to come
वो
out.
मैंने
Yeah.
बोला हुआ है. In
Yeah.
fact, I've said this to Vishal Shekhar also, like, let's do something else also. तो ऐसा नहीं है. But I've been very lucky that they've called me for something which is okay. This is great to hear. Let's
Nice.
try do a twang in it, and फिर कुछ और बन जाता है. So and sometimes I actually go to the studio and hear a song like, why did you call me? Like, this is not
girl,
me. This is not
this
me.
person was singing. Oh, okay.
This is not me. I can't do this. Like,
And
you sing no,
Then
yaar.
you surprise yourself.
And yeah, and I'm like, oh, how did you know that I could do
And that's
this?
when you're like, okay, you are
You
a
need
music
to-
director for this
You
reason.
need to have faith in the person that's why I'm saying that room
Yeah.
and that energy is very, very important.
What do you enjoy more? Being in a studio and recording this new sound that nobody's heard that you're kind of making, or a concert?
Both. I'm very greedy. It has to be both.
Has to be.
It can't be either.
It can't, but one is because of the other, right?
Actually,
the
both.
concert is
Yeah, and sometimes you're singing a song on stage, and there is a vibe that comes in, and I'm like, oh wow, ये क्यों नहीं किया recording में?
Oh,
तो next वाले में करेंगे. So you know that the chicken and the egg conundrum.
lovely.
कि हाँ.
Nice.
So yeah.
And when you hear other people's work
Yeah.
and you get inspired,
Yes.
so you
All the
must,
time.
yeah, of course,
All the
as
time.
musicians,
Yeah.
right? Who are the people who inspired you growing up that you're like, man, this is why I want to do music? And I'm guessing your father's there already after that.
So my father actually had heard Ustad Amir Khan Sahab in 72 and he lost his mind. He classical music hota hai. Then he started learning it. So what he did was he took me to all these classical concerts in Jamshedpur when I was about
Mm.
3, 4-ish. वहाँ से start हो गया था. So like watching उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान साहब live और जाकिर हुसैन साहब
Wow.
और रविशंकर जी, परवीन सुल्ताना जी, बिरजू महाराज जी. So you know,
You had
मतलब
a very rich upbringing
सब
in
जगह से
in
ये जो
classical music,
इंस्पिरेशन
yeah.
आई जा रही है और अभी भी हम सुनते हैं. लाइक हर पैर का एक राग होता है
Hmm.
और अगर उस पैर पे उस राग को आप गाओ और सुनो तो वो फिर माहौल बनता है. तो लाइक अभी शाम का वक्त है तो अभी यमन सुनना चाहिए. लाइक सनसेट काइंड ऑफ राग. सो
क्या बात है यार. अभी ऐसे कौन है जिनके साथ आपको काम करना है? इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट, केंड्रिक लमार हो गया, कोई भी. Who are those people that you want to work with so we can put it out there and then it'll happen and then you can thank us later, yeah?
Yes. Okay.
Who do you want to
Uh,
work with now?
Sushin Sham.
Okay. I mean, when you do regional music, because
Yeah.
sometimes you're singing in Hindi, sometimes you're
Yes.
so
Tamil, Telugu.
do
Yeah.
you change yourself? Is it a different part of your personality? How do you approach those songs or you listen? Because the character of how music is done in different places is
Yes,
different, right?
very,
कहीं
very
पे
different.
energy
Yes.
high है, कभी कुछ.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you have to keep adapting, or you listen to the music director a lot, or you bring your own knowledge of that kind of music, or you do research.
तो कुछ तो होता है, आपका होमवर्क होता है.
Yeah.
तो होमवर्क मतलब आपने बचपन से अब हमारे लिए तमिल कब हमने सुना था? जब रहमान सर के गाने आए थे.
Yeah, Roja time.
रोजा, बॉम्बे, उसके बाद से it was non-stop.
Yeah, because when you heard his music
हाँ.
and you're like, what is this? Then you listen to all his music and didn't understand Tamil, but you were grooving to it.
Yes.
Like I was not in a
No,
music.
and it's everyone. I say that I fell in love with Tamil because of him.
Tamil தெரியுமா? Understand.
Solapa.
And do you go to Chennai to record with him?
You should.
I mean,
It is a vibe.
you should get.
You
How?
should.
How
Everyone,
simply you just said it.
everyone should.
Wow, everybody should just go to Chennai and record Mr. A.R. Rahman. Yes, thank you. Yeah.
No,
We are not doing it because it's our choice, है ना? Wow, what a Shilpa.
there's a difference in recording with Rahman sir in Bombay and doing a recording in Chennai.
Okay.
I meant that.
Okay. When you're doing a concert in Dubai
Yes.
or performing,
Yes.
do you prepare in a different
Differently,
way?
yes,
How?
definitely. तो एक बात होती है कि जब हम यहाँ पर आते हैं तो यहाँ की प्लेलिस्ट हमको देखना पड़ता है. बिकॉज लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल you Shahrukh Khan fans here.
Yeah.
And Ishq Shava is the vibe, and we cannot leave Dubai without singing that.
And you keep it towards the end, or
वो हम sense करते
You'll
हैं.
figure
Like the crowd is now like at the peak, and this is where you just drop that song.
or you need to bring it to that place to drop this
Yeah,
song.
so we strategically make the set list. So
ठीक है.
set list नया बनता है. हर gig के पहले एक set list बनता है. वो group पे जाता है सबके पास. And that is totally depending on where we are, what is the crowd like. And it's nice to keep it new, ना? नहीं तो आप
Yeah.
same
Well, I mean,
replicate करते हैं,
I'd
boring हो
like to
जाएगा.
come to your concerts again and again, right? So the
And at
next time
different
I come,
places
it should,
also.
yeah, it should
हाँ,
be a
different
different
places.
vibe.
Yeah.
So tell me a time that you performed here and you were like, man, that was awesome. That concert could be a small gig, could be classical, could be whatever.
I think it was 2012 or 13. We had done MTV Unplugged. So we got the whole grand piano, the guitar, acoustic guitar, the cello, and everything, and we did that. And
Where did you do it?
this was at Jumeirah,
Oh, nice.
and the place was booked out for I think 800, 1,000 people, but then people just
Kept coming in.
kept coming. I mean, not kept coming in. There was demand for it, and I think 1,500 people came for it, and it was
Wow. Fully packed.
such an amazing night. Amazing.
So the same kind of concert with the
Yeah.
same people
Yeah,
is different in different cities, huh?
of course,
Different venues.
of course. Yeah.
Artists that you want to go and attend their concerts of. Whose concert do you want to go to this year, say 2026?
Weekend for sure.
Weekend, okay.
Yes.
Then
Weekend for
let's
sure.
let's go five.
John Mayer is coming to Bombay
John Mayer,
in
okay.
Jan, so we've been a fan forever. So
Five international, five domestic.
I would love to watch.
Coldplay you saw last time?
No,
You didn't see Coldplay the
because
whole world.
I
you were
I
there.
had a gig somewhere else.
She's very busy, guys. She's very busy. Okay.
No.
Just joking.
It's like tennis.
Yeah.
You don't have to win every point. You have to win the important points. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Acha, can I say what I would also want to watch is like Djokovic play a match. Yeah. I would love,
Oh, that
yeah.
can happen in Dubai very soon.
Is he coming?
Dude, you just stay in tune with Dubai
Acha,
events.
okay, fine.
We'll make it happen. You want to see Djokovic play?
Djokovic,
Ho
bro.
jayega. And Indian artists that you think are singers, other singers that you're like, man, doing so well, and their concerts I'd love to go to.
Anirudh.
Okay,
Anirudh.
And?
Yeah.
that's it.
And like stand there and like really scream your lungs out while he's singing. Of course, we've done a lot of
Would you
music
want to be
together.
performing in an A.R. Rahman concert or being in the front and enjoying it? Ah, that's a good question.
Actually, I still am that fangirl.
Yeah, na?
वो front row पे ऐसे but हाँ, okay, 2025 marks the first for many things, but my first performance with Rahman sir on stage.
Was 2025?
25, yes.
How was that?
Tere Ishq mein, the music launch, and he was on the piano, and I was singing Tere Ishq mein. We did it unplugged, and
Oh
oh my
my
God, yeah.
Oh my God! And was your dad physically there, or did you talk to him after that? And
No, I mean, I sent him the recording
What did he say?
of that, like, हाँ ये मारू बैग मैंने कहा था ना वही राग है.
Hey.
He's
When
he's-
did you work with Mr. A.R. Rahman for the first time?
for the first time it was 2011 for
Ah.
Jab Tak Hai Jaan
But this is the first time.
on stage with him. Yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
But-
Was that on your bucket list and didn't get picked for so long?
मैं उतना प्लान नहीं करती हूँ. मुझे अभी ये नहीं पता है शाम को क्या करना है.
No bucket list.
So I'm not that person. I like to have life. Okay, what's up? Let's do this. I think in fact the recordings also with him, like I said, sir, I need to I email him, okay. So sir, we need to catch up. I need to see you. Say hi. He says, okay, come to Chennai tomorrow at 2 a.m.
Just come to
So I woke up and like, okay, 12 बज गए. अच्छा चलो tickets बना के चल रहे हैं. And I told Ritesh, चलो let's pack our bags. And
Ritesh is flexible enough to travel with you.
he
and
loves travel.
But he's like now you and him are in sync, like travel wise.
Yeah, so
also. Like,
I'm
it's not
very
like, babe, I'm working,
spontaneous. He
sorry,
likes
mera
to
kaam chal
plan.
raha hai.
So now we are just getting the hang of it. Okay, now we do both. So I'm making spontaneous plans, and then he can pack properly. So चलो तुम ये करो मैं ये करती हूँ. And we went to Chennai, and Rahman sir is. I like these things that वो spontaneity में जो एक
He just realized he read your email. He's like, actually, I'm free tomorrow day after. We'll spend enough time. Come. Like that. Na?
आजा. Like I think he is he loves musicians. And he loves spontaneous reactions to the songs that he makes. So when a musician is there, the record button is on. So whatever is thrown at him for the music, I think he just catches it.
Really?
Yeah, he
absorbs everything.
he absorbs everything. He's okay. What else? So it's so that environment is so conducive to creating new things. It's amazing. That's why I said go to Chennai.
I wish, man. Like, if I got that opportunity, you think I won't take it? If he messages me now, I won't even
Next
drop
flight,
you. I'll
next
just be
flight.
going to the airport.
To the airport.
You catch a cab from there.
Shilpa,
Or you drive
tum-
this car. Do you
tum-
drive?
No.
You don't drive. But do you love listening
I'm
to music?
driven in
while-
life.
Yeah, well, very nice. Good you didn't opt for comedy, cause. Tell me,
हाँ
when you go for drives,
हाँ.
what kind of music do you listen to? Is there a special playlist?
अब जैसे बारिश हो रही है तो
What's your
आप
favorite rain song? चलो बारिश हो रही है.
आओगे जब तुम साजना अंगना फूल खिलेंगे by Rashid Khan साहब.
what are the things that give you that satisfaction of, okay, man, this is good? Is it an award? Is it being recognized by the Grammys? Is it like getting another film? What is it that says, okay, Shilpa, good man, you're doing the right thing, you're on the right this thing? Is it the check? Is it the house? Is it dad? What is it? Is it the DMs from the fans? What is it that you say, okay, man, I'm doing well, I gotta keep at it, learn more, and all of that?
It could be many things actually. Sometimes it's as simple as, of course, it seems simple. जैसे आपको एक गजल आप मैं प्रिपेयर करी हूँ कोई गजल एंड उसमें एक जगह है और उसको ठीक करने में आपको कभी कभार दिन हफ्ते महीने लग जाते
Okay.
ओके एंड you're thinking about it and one day just casually sitting having coffee and you actually get it right when you sing it.
So that
Like-
gives you happiness.
I'm like, oh, this is a great, that eureka moment happens.
Ah.
Or once the song is done and it's roughly mixed so that you get a feel ki haan, the song is in the right place. And the composer, director, all of us are there in that room. Like recently we did Sayyara, usme Barbad jo gana tha.
Congratulations for
Thank
all the
you.
songs
Thank
you're
you,
doing so
Baba.
well,
Thank
man.
you.
Everything
Thank
that you
you.
do, Touchwood does well. So that is.
So Rish was there. Mohit was not in town. He was on the phone with us. And finally, the song after 2-3 sessions, we got it right. I felt like it was a great day today. आज हमने कुछ एक नया बनाया, कुछ नई चीजें try की, जो हमने पहले कभी नहीं किया. So these are some days, and then you drive back home. You feel really nice. You feel really good inside yourself. So you know.
What is the barometer? Okay, is it your own self, Shilpa Rao, is saying, listen, dude, I've done well. मेरे को और किसी की जरूरत नहीं है. Nobody है. Or is it your dad? Dad, do you think this was good? Okay, you said good, it's good. Or is it a music director, somebody that you like? Or is it just you? Like, I've done it, I know it's good. Baki, I don't care about.
Yeah, I think it's
Accurate meter?
it can't be one person because like for example, a lot of music
I'm
that
guessing when
is
you're in
shared-
Chennai, it's not you, it's Mr. Rahman. Like, if he said, very good, very good.
yeah, like he's like his expression like okay good. He just says that. That means that ये आपने तोड़ फोड़ कर दिया है, ये हो गया.
And so you basically, when you work with somebody, you
work with
that
someone.
person's approval, or
No, it's both. I mean, you can see it in the eyes. Okay, now we're vibing. In fact,
what about
a lot of
fans?
fans, of course, yeah. When you
Like
look,
when you're
when you,
looking at people and they're looking
yeah,
at you, and
no,
like,
no, I agree.
You like that?
I agree. When you look into their eyes and there's that connection. I mean, that's human connection. You know, that is so sublime that हम आज तक कभी नहीं मिले, but हम एक दूसरे को जानते हैं because of music.
And that idea of constantly leveling up, it needs momentum, not pressure. And that's where the new Cool Ray fits in effortlessly. With its 1.5 TD engine delivering 174 HP and a 0 to 100 in 7.6 seconds. It's not about pushing harder, it's about moving forward with confidence and ease. Are you ready for this or that?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
You got to level up now.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Shilpa?
That's why the coffee.
Yeah, I got you the coffee.
Yeah, yeah.
Now let's see.
I owe you this.
Okay?
Hmm.
Studio recording or live concert?
क्यों करते हो तुम लोग ऐसे
Level up,
यार
level
हमारे
up.
साथ एक दोनों चाहिए ऐसे नहीं कर सकते
How about
यार.
just one? Like, okay, today, you want to go studio record? This week. Answer for this week.
This week.
Or
Yeah,
you wanna
this
just do-
week? This week I think we have a lot of gigs, so yeah.
So live concert.
Yeah,
Okay.
this gig, yeah.
Morning riyaz or night performances?
Night performances.
I know that.
Morning, I'm not a
शिल्पा का
morning
गला ऐसे 11:30-12 बजे गर्म हो जाता है naturally, है ना?
नहीं वो क्या होता है ना जब आप उठते हो जब कभी भी मैं सुबह नहीं उठती हूँ. It's very difficult to sing because you know your vocal cords are very rested, so you know very
Alright.
bassy, so
Fair,
it's
fair.
tough to sing at that point. Yeah.
Bollywood, Indian music, Indian film industry music,
Huh.
playback,
Huh.
or independent music? Maybe
So right
something
now
is
we
coming
just
up.
have one indie release right now with the Yellow Diary. So we just did a
Oh, I
collab.
love them. I love
Yeah, it's a
them.
new song called Sai. Please hear it when you're driving back home. I hope.
Eh? Why not? Just give us one line.
Uh, okay. मुझे याद करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, रुक जाओ। मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है कि
Wow.
कोई गाना बोलता है ना तो फर्स्ट लाइन याद नहीं
Your
आती।
band members must be like just like I hope she remembers the next song. Oh ये वाला नहीं दूसरा लगा दिया।
ओके ओके ओके, लेट मी और तू मेरा मेहरमा और मैं तेरा आसमां।
Wow.
This car has great acoustics, yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Leveling up doesn't always mean being loud. Sometimes it's about presence. The new Cool Ray's bold, sporty design, dual tone finish, and that distinctive lavender shade catch the light beautifully, reflecting a mindset that's confident, evolving, and always in motion.
Coffee or karak chai? Coffee or chai?
Coffee, black coffee.
Oh,
Black coffee, yeah. पानी है बस गनीमत है, but coffee, bro.
Intimate gig or stadium show?
We actually convert both into both.
Okay, I'll take that one.
Yeah.
Lyrics first or melody first? पहले क्या होता है?
If it's a ghazal, then melody. The
Lyrics.
lyrics first.
Ghazal
And
के
if it's a narrative song, something on a brief, then yeah, let's go with the melody first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dubai or Mumbai for a concert. To perform.
To perform. यार ये कैसे फंसा देते हो तुम यार?
भाई you have to level up now. शिल्पा बहुत मजे हो गए. You just chatting. Huh?
I keep drifting. No, that was like I keep zoning out. I'm telling you. I think the best answer is a tour,
Okay.
which goes from Mumbai to Dubai.
Oh, yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
Classic songs or in-trend songs?
I'm not much of a trend person.
है ना?
I'm not.
You create trends, yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है.
You make the classic songs trendy.
Trendy.
क्या
क्या
बात है?
बात है? क्या लाइन मारा आपने?
2025 में आपका सबसे सक्सेसफुल गाना कौन सा है?
सबसे सक्सेसफुल गाना.
सबसे सक्सेसफुल ये नहीं आपका not your favorite, सबसे सक्सेसफुल. सैयारा? You think?
Sayara, Ghafoor, I think both you guys like really.
Tamanna was in the song. in the
Yeah,
film.
you guys like give so much love. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And every year, if you were to say, man, I wish
Huh.
I did that song, which you haven't
Right.
done. Any songs like that?
But I don't think like that.
Yeah,
when
but like,
when I
sometimes
hear
you
a
love
song,
a song so much.
like the first time I heard Zara Zara Bombay Jashi, I'm like, wow, this can't be changed. This has to be like this.
So you enjoyed the song,
I
and you
enjoy-
didn't feel like
no.
I want to do.
No, no.
All right. Oh, you did well.
थोड़ा भी म्यूजिक में ना टूरिस्ट बनना चाहिए कभी कभार.
Consumer भी बनना चाहिए. You have to be a fan
हाँ,
of
you
music.
can't just be the professional all the time. You
That's
hear
why.
the music.
That's why I'm not a
Yeah.
professional. I'm just enjoying music. All right, this was good, man. This was that you did well.
Thank you so
level
much.
up कर दिया आपने.
Thank you.
Okay, so your favorite song from this year? Can you just sing it for us? Your own favorite song from this year that you did.
Okay. साथ में गाओगे?
You don't want it to be your favorite?
ऐसा नहीं है.
No, I promise you'd laugh. You'll be like, oh, I can't hear that again.
Okay, here we go. ये जो मुश्किल से दिल को सलामत रखा, इसमें आने दो क्या तुझको, टूट जाएगा दिल फिर न जुड़ पाएगा, इसी बात का डर है मुझको कि हो ना जाए प्यार तुमसे मुझे, कर देगा बर्बाद इश्क मुझे, हो ना जाए प्यार तुमसे मुझे, बेहद बेशुमार तुमसे.
बात है, तालियां. Wow. अच्छा.
बोलिए.
The song that you think like kind of made it for you, and can we hear that?
हमको क्या लेना है सबसे, तुमसे ही सब बातें अब से, बन गए हो तुम मेरी दुआ, खुदा जाने के मैं फिदा हूँ, खुदा जाने मैं मिट गया, खुदा जाने ये क्यों हुआ है कि बन गए हो तुम मेरे खुदा.
Wow. And this song really like
It was
it went.
It was crazy.
It was
It
crazy.
was crazy. It was crazy. Like
And you were
very
like-
rare. You have everything that's going right for it. Like the composition, the writing,
The picturization, the
picturization,
actor.
and KK.
Oh man.
KK, man, we miss him so much.
What is next for Shilpa Rao? Are you looking forward to some movies, music from some movies, Hindi or other languages, or is a song of yours coming out or an album going? What are you looking for? Or there's a concert, there's a tour. What are you looking? Or could be something personally.
No, actually, everything. We are putting down some great music for you guys. With Preetham, with Siddharth Anand. There's something with YRF. So I'm very excited.
Nice.
It's all new stuff. Really try to
Do different things.
push the envelope. Do something that I've never done before.
Oh wow.
Vocally also and all of that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
When do we see you perform in Dubai?
I hope so soon.
Okay.
I mean, I am performing tomorrow. That's what we are here for.
Yes.
But yeah, like a public concert, I would like say 2026. I think we should do that. So yeah, for sure.
Shilpa,
Thank you so
this has
much.
been amazing. You've
Amazing,
been very,
amazing.
very
Yeah, thank you
kind.
so much,
You spent
thank
so
you.
much time with
No,
us.
my
You
pleasure.
sang for us, and you gave us such insights into your musical journey. Congratulations on everything.
No,
and
thanks so much.
tomorrow is your concert in
Yes,
Dubai,
in Dubai.
and in 2026. We wish that you come to Dubai, your tour. We see you here. And of
Yeah.
course, I'll catch you somewhere in India or the world.
Cheers to that. Cheers to that. And
Best of luck for
thank you
everything.
so much. Happy
Thank
New
you.
Year, guys. Well
Happy
in
New Year.
advance. Merry Christmas and yeah, lots of love to your family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.